log 4 to the base x minus 3. Okay. Find the value of x for which the function is defined. Our first condition is n is greater than 0. Here n is 4 greater than 0. So first condition is satisfied. Second condition, a greater than 0. That means x minus 3 greater than 0 or x greater than 3. And third condition is a not equal to 1. That means x minus 3 not equal to 1 or x not equal to 4. Okay, so x is greater than 3 and x not equal to 4. So in the number line we can mark this is 3. So x is greater than 3 means this region. This region is the x greater than 3. 3 is not included. Okay, that is a open bracket. Now x is not equal to 4. Now mark 4 here. So x is equal to 4 is also not included. So this is the value of x. This number line. This red mark represents the value of x. Okay. This is the real axis. So we can write x belongs to open interval 3 to infinity minus 4, set 4. So 4 is excluded. Or we can represent this as open interval 3 to open interval 4 union open interval 4 to infinity. This x belongs. Okay. Now log 8 raised to 1 by 3 to the base 2 is equal to question. So we can write 8 as 8 is equal to 2 raised to 3. That means 8 raised to 1 by 3 is equal to 2 raised to 3 all raised to 1 by 3. That is equal to 2. So this is equal to log 2 to the base 2. The value of this is equal to 1. Now consider the question. Log base is 1 by 3 and the number is 1 divided by 3 raised to 1 by 7. Okay, 3 raised to 1 by 7. This is the number and base is 1 by 3. So we can write base raised to x. Suppose base is a raised to x is equal to n. Here a is 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3 raised to x. That is equal to n. N is 1 divided by 3 raised to 1 by 7. Okay. Now we can write this is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 1 by 7. That means 1 by 3 raised to x is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 1 by 7. Now comparing the powers, x is equal to 1 by 7. This is the value of x. Now log of 1 by 4 root 2 to the base 1 by 2 is equal to question. Okay. Now we can write base is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 raised to x is equal to the number that is 1 by 4 root 2. Okay. That is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square, 2 into 2 into root 2 is 2 raised to 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1 divided by 2 raised to 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2, or is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 5 by 2. Now comparing the powers, here LHS is 1 by 2 raised to x. Comparing the powers, that indicate x is equal to 5 by 2. Now log of 27 root 3 to the base 3. So this is similar to the previous question. We can write this is equal to log base 3, 27 is equal to 3 raised to 3 into root 3, that is 3 raised to 1 by 2, or is equal to log base 3, 3 raised to 3 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to log base 3, 3 raised to 3, taking the LCM of 3 plus 1 by 2, or 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 6, 7 by 2. Okay, now this 7 by 2 will jump here. That means 7 by 2 into log 3 to the base 3. Value of this is equal to 1. So answer is equal to 7 by 2. Okay, or we can write this as 3 raised to x is equal to 3 raised to 7 by 2. Now comparing the power, x is equal to 7 by 2. So we can conclude log of n raised to x to the base a, that is equal to, this x is jumped to here. That means x into log n to the base a. This is an important property. Okay, so we can write log of n raised to x to the base a is equal to x into log n to the base a. Consider the question log base 3 and the number is given x square plus 1. The answer is given as 1. This is equal to 1. Now the question is find the value of x. Okay, so the value of this is given as 1. We want to find the value of x. Now the base raised to exponent. Exponent is 1. 1, that is equal to the number x square plus 1. Since we know that log n to the base a is equal to x. That means a raised to x is equal to n. Here x is given as 1 and base a is 3. 3 raised to 1 is equal to n. N is x square plus 1. That implies x square is equal to 2 or x is equal to plus or minus root 2. Here x can be minus root 2 or plus root 2. If x is minus root 2 also, minus root 2 square, that become 2. And root 2 plus root 2, then also x square become root 2 square 2. So both value is satisfied. That is x either x is equal to plus root 2 or x is equal to minus root 2.